okay?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I wanted to see the new plane.
Oh.
Yeah, I was telling you, you had to look at it.
What was that?
F-16.
F-16?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, they look a lot like the others, huh?
They do. They all kind of look similar.
This is for the 80 millimeter.
You got to get a. You have a XRP
70 to 80 is 10%.
40 blades?
afterburner made.
Yeah.
I need one for this.
Timer cleared. Gear up.
I don't need much room.
Yeah, because I was working on it. I think it's ready for it.
See, I only brought jets, so I'm going to have to charge during the day.
Gotcha.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Butterfly. Butterfly cool.
That was flight 99 on this thing.
Butterfly's been great for a long time, but they really try to get back on like this basic
You keep that good with tally on?
Yeah, I kind of, when I go home,
Oh, really? I can do it with my F-22 because I can count every flight I've had so far.
I mean, a lot of it's now like, oh, took off fine.
The interface is standard.
Oh, I gotta fix this, it's drifting to like, I gotta fix it. Sometimes I won't be able to fix it right away, and then I have to figure it out.
Yeah, it's way off.
Much better control skills than I have.
You coming in ready at all?
No, I'm good for a while.
Okay.
I got like 8 minutes. Go ahead. Go ahead. This will go for almost 8 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
What size?
It's got a huge battery in it.
What do you put in it?
5800.
Oh, shit.
But I don't fly it more than, half throttle most of the time.
Oh, really? Yeah. There's that alpha thing good, huh?
Yeah, I haven't even really done it yet. Greg, I'm going to do a slow pass from the left.
Yeah, you guys got good control of these guys. I can't even get them that low, I'm afraid. Okay.
Well, we've gotten too low, don't worry.
Oh, my goodness. That's slow. Wow. Okay, that's impressive.
It'll actually go slower,
That's with
too.
no flaps, too. Huh?
No, with the wind, it'll go even slower. But
Really? Wow. And then she can really book when you want it to.
10,
Yep.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Nice.
all right, Greg, let me join up with you for a little bit. So let me join up with you for a little bit.
You know me, I'm consistent like this.
I'll cut in once you come closer to us.
You really can control that slow, huh? It's amazing how that big planes will fly slow like that.
No, you're good. This does whatever.
A little over half.
Just trying to figure out the difference in size so I can't tell where you are. Yeah.
No, I'm going to probably fly my whole
1 minute over.
I'll be inside of you. I'm keeping a little closer.
I can fly the Beagle.
I'm pretty good with that.
Thank you. actually, it's good with the sun at your back, but
Oh yeah,
Man, I spent
yeah.
2 hours last night doing open heart surgery on the
Right.
figure on there.
face side, right cheek,
Right, it's all on the right. It's
right
all,
cheek, right cheek.
it's all on the right.
2 minutes over.
Doing a fast pass.
The cranium goes outside of the doesn't really let it yet. So I had guys
All right, I got to do a couple touch and goes to get used to this place. I'm gonna
takes a while to get
do
the
it right
wire
now.
underneath the
Gear
friction
down.
brake.
Got to get it into that landing attitude, see what it does.
I did it 3 times because I replaced
No, I know this one can. I just,
I know it's skill wise.
it's just always a matter of getting used to a new place.
One of the maintenance. So I kind of found an old set.
It's not too bad.
It's not too bad. No, you got a lot.
What do you guys do when cars are coming in, or do cars not come in? Okay, just got to yell it out.
Basically, I use the same mechanism but a new bolt.
Yeah.
Anyway, took me like 2 hours just to get it
Keep the nose up, and then I'm gonna do
3
a landing.
minutes over.
Okay.
Final over here is not such a...
It's not very forgiving.
Nope, not nice.
You'll be all right. You're clear, Greg.
Why is the wind coming slightly up the
It's from the right.
Straight over the one way. So from that way?
It's kind of from that way.